operator concepts, all the operators I covered, I think, right? So, okay, shall we start? Now, in this class, we are going to look about that very important topic. It's my screen. My screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you explain Fudo code?
1 minute.
Okay, sir.
Tell me what you
Fudo code, sir.
pseudocode.
Yes, sir. Like,
Yeah.
what's the proper way to write it, sir? Because you said my answers were wrong last time.
So, okay, at last I'll discuss. Okay, you just
Okay,
stay
sir.
back. I'll discuss.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, next class will be a doubt. Next day order 3 you're having class, right?
Yes, sir.
So at that class, okay, I'll be clarifying your doubts, okay?
Totally
So the
fine,
next
sir.
class will be a doubt clarification session. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Sir, on day order 3.
Yes, day order 3.
Okay, sir.
Shall we continue? Okay, today class, okay, we are going to look up, discuss about the another important topic called storage class. Storage class. Storage, okay. This is another important storage classes, okay. Storage classes, okay. In that we are going to first discuss about, okay, scope of a variable. Scope of a variable. And next we are going to discuss about lifetime of a variable. Both are same only. Scope of a variable or lifetime of a variable. Then various storage classes we are going to discuss about. Various types of storage class we are going to discuss about. Okay, so first storage class, this topic, okay, you just need not to worry about that. Okay, storage in the sense, okay, you know, right, what is mean by storage? Tell me here, what is mean by storage in a system, okay, in a computer, which one is called as the storage devices? See, I want this session should be an interactive session. Tell me here, anyone, which device and I'll call the storage device? RAM?
Sir, hard drive.
Yes, hard disk.
SSD.
Hard drive or hard disk?
CDs.
CDs. Okay, CDs,
Sir, RAM.
DVDs, pen drive, everything, right? So the storage is nothing but, okay, through this one we can able to store some data, right? So okay, in a program, okay, sorry, in a C language, why we are studying the storage classes in the sense, okay, in the storage class, it's going to fully describe about how we are going to store our data in a C program, right? Tell me. So in a C program, for example, you just consider in a C program, how the data can be stored, through the variables only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
For example, if you are going to develop any software or any applications, okay, any software applications, okay, first we should have to store the data in the form of variables, right? So that's what, okay, all that descriptive, okay, these are all the key topics: scope of a variable, lifetime of a variable, this various types of storage classes also is going to discuss about, okay, about the variables only. So in a C program, this is storage classes we are going to study in a C program, so that how the data can be stored in the C program. For example, if you are doing some calculator operations or arithmetic operation in the sense, okay, for example, okay, suppose if you are going for example, if my input is two inputs, okay, if you are going if you are going to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, okay, modulo, these are all the operations you are going to perform. In the sense, definitely how many variables are needed here for this program, for this concept? Tell me here, anyone? For storing the input values, two variables are needed, right? All are
Sir, 7, sir.
seven variables. For storing the input, okay, a comma b, two variables. These are all the outputs, right? For example, 11, okay, minus 1, okay, or 30, okay, something, okay. So in order to store the result also, okay, the result can be stored in some variable, right? For example, again, int, sum, okay, sub, okay, multiplication, division, model operator. So how many operators? Variables 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 7 variables are needed. Okay, this is nothing but, now we got it, right?
Yes, sir.
So how the variables can able to store all our input, all the data, okay, through the program. We are going to definitely perform some operation with the help of data only. Okay, first we should have to get some input data, and after that through your program we should have to process those inputs. Okay, for example, if any perform any operation, and after that we are going to produce the output. That all the data can be stored in the variables. Now you got it, right? Either in the form of integer, okay, or in the form of character, float, long double. So many data types are there. Okay, with the help of that only we are going to store the variables. Okay, so what is mean by scope of a variable? Can anyone tell me what is mean by scope? Why you have
Sir,
chosen
it's like
aerospace
the
engineering?
environment where the variable is in, like if it's in the main program or
Very good, very good, very good, very good.
a
So
function.
now I'm not asking about any variable. Now we know what is the general meaning of scope. What is the scope of aerospace engineering? That's why I have chosen, right, the aerospace engineering.
Yes, sir.
The scope is good for next 10 next for 5 years or lifelong. The scope is good. So that only I have chosen this, right? Chosen this domain, right? Chosen this branch, right? So what's your the scope is nothing but you are studying 4 years. Based upon this only, or further, suppose for example, next 30 years will be based upon this thing only, right? Based upon your branch, based upon your bachelor degree only, you are going to do the job and all. Okay, that is nothing but scope and scope or lifetime. Okay, scope or lifetime. For example, for in the program aspects, I'm telling, right? Okay, for example, void main. Okay, here int a equal to 10, printf percentage d comma a. So what is the scope of a? Now just tell me what is the scope of the variable. For example, here I'm writing include std io.h. And now tell me here what is the scope of a?
Is it 10?
10. I'm not asking about the output and all. What is the scope of a variable? So here, what is the scope of this program?
And
Definitely,
within
we are
main,
going to the variable, right? A is a variable, okay. So which is it is used to store the data, right? So what is the scope of this variable within the main function, right? The scope of the
So
variable
within the main
starts from
function.
yes,
so
starts
it's
from
within the main function.
here. This
Yeah.
is nothing but a scope. Are you got it?
So how do you
Scope
declare
or
a global function? A global variable.
that I'll tell you. Okay, next I'm going to do. Okay,
Okay, sir.
lifetime scope or lifetime of a variable. Is it clear? Variable
Yes,
E.
sir.
So, for example, I'll use another board. So, for example, okay, hash include std main.h void main percentage A. For example, suppose if I use another function, for example, display function. Now tell me what is the scope of A? Now tell me the
Sir.
scope of the variables which is used in the program. You just tell me.
Sir, I think it's main again.
See what is the lifetime here for this program? Okay, for this this main function. Okay, what is this? This is already you know right about the structure of C language. The program should consist of main function as well as user defined function. Okay, this you know right. Like main function, I can able to create my own function called display function. In that I've done some task. Here the return type is void. Okay, this function doesn't going to return any value, right? So you just look at this one, the scope of the variable. Okay, the scope of the variable in this one, A is nothing but a variable which is having scope. What is the output for this one?
Sir, 10.
Here first, the scope of the variable A is up to the starting from here to here. Got it? Start within the main function, right? So up to this, the A value is 10. Suppose this block, this starting from curly, whenever, the scope of the variable, how we can determine in the sense, it should be used in that particular block. Suppose if it is, suppose here, for example, int A equal to 10. Suppose if it is something is started in the sense, the scope of the variable is starting from this bracket to this bracket, correct? This is called as block. After this block, suppose, for example, int A, equal to 10. Suppose if you are doing like this, printf %d A. Next one, int A equal to 20, printf %d A. So what is the scope of the variable, ma? For here, within the scope, the A value is 10, right? Tell me here, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Here within the scope, because starting block, this is the within this block or within this particular block, the A value is 10. Up to this, the A value is 10. With this block,
A value is
the same
20.
A variable is
Value
10.
is 20.
Now we got it, right? If any variable is declared, the scope, how the scope of the variable can be determined in the sense, so it can be, based upon the block which is present, the scope of the variable can be determined, through with the terms of block. If the block, suppose if the variable is A equal to 10, up to this, the A, here the scope of the, here it will be 10 only. Suppose in the next block, some value, some might be changed. Some value of A might be changed. Now we got it right like that. You just tell me, for your understanding purpose, I'm telling you what is the scope of the variable here. A value equal to 10 here up to the starting and ending, right? So the A value is 10. So the output is first one 10. Next one, first A equal to 10, I'm printing A, 10, I'm printing the A value 10. Next one, this is nothing but function call. I'm calling the user defined function. I'll explain it. What is mean by function call and all. Now you just have it. I'm calling the function. This is nothing but a user defined function. So in the main function, I'm just calling the user defined function. After the execution of this line, the control will be come here. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Control will be coming
Yes, sir.
here. And after that, what is this? Again, I'm reinitializing again. This is a different block, right? Up to this block, the A value is 10. That's it. Okay, while coming to the different block or different function, okay, now the a value is changed to 20. For this block, what is the a value? For this
20.
block, a value 10.
20.
Okay, 20. Now we got it right. What is mean by scope of a variable?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Do you have any doubt? If you have any doubt, you just ask me then and there. Yeah, and right now we know, right, what is mean by scope and lifetime of a variable. Lifetime is nothing but, okay, up to this, we're starting from this block to this block. So what are all the changes? So initially, okay, int a equal to 10 also, and after that a plus plus also, printf percentage d, okay, a also. Up to this, what are all the changes happening? That is nothing but a life. Okay, initially 10, next time it will be 11. Okay, so up to this, the a value will be 11. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Now then this is nothing but a scope. Okay. For example, you just tell me hash include stdio.h main function, and after that count equal to 0. For example, this is called as looping. I'll tell you what is mean by looping and all. I less than or equal to 5. Again int count equal to 0. Count equal to count plus 1. Count plus plus also printf. Printf percentage d count I plus plus printf percentage d count. Now tell me. So you just look at this program. Okay, in this looping concept I have introduced. Okay, for your understanding purpose only. Okay, looping we didn't touch. Okay, we have discussed in that algorithm, flowchart, and pseudocode part. We have discussed in the programming part. I didn't discuss about the looping and decision making statements. For your understanding purpose only, I have used looping in your looping in this program. I'll tell you. Okay, what is mean by looping? You know, right? What is mean by looping?
Yes, sir. The
Yes, sir.
repetition.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is mean by looping?
Repetition of
Based
steps.
upon
The
the
repeated
condition,
iteration of steps.
certain statements keep on repeating, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is called as looping, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is what we have done it. Okay. So we are while is nothing but one of the looping statement we have used it. So based upon this, here the condition start, right? I less than or equal to 5. Here the condition start. If the condition is true, these 1, 2, 3, 4 line will keep on repeating until the condition is get filled. So this is the one. Clear? So you just tell me the output of what is the scope of count. How many variables are there?
2, sir.
How many
Two.
are count? Count
Count
is
and
one
I.
of the variable. Okay, count
And
is
I.
one of the variable, and I. What is the scope of
I.
count?
Sir, is it main again?
For this count, you just tell me where it starts,
Sir, it's
where it ends.
Main.
Main function, because
Main.
it starts here and ends here, right? So the
Yes,
scope
sir.
of a count, okay, starting here and ends here, right? What is the scope of high? Where it starts and where it
Sir,
ends.
again main.
Main.
Main function.
Okay, main function it starts. Okay, so again the for I also, okay, starts main function and it is ending in. And another one, what is this block? While block. Again the count is also there, I is also there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it's a loop
Here
actually.
here the different scope will be there, right? For example, for while up to this, starting from while here to here, the count value and I value is different, right? Tell me here, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now we just execute the program. You can first tell me count equal to 0, int integer value in the count I am storing initial value is 0. Next I equal to 1, I'm initializing it. This is in declaration as well as initialization. Both the statements coming into the single line. Next one, you just look at this one while. What is this? Condition true or false? This is a while loop here, so while keyword is there. So
Condition
the syntax
true.
is
It's true, sir.
syntax
True,
I'm
sir.
telling it. Okay, 1 minute. Syntax I'm telling for while loop. So while keyword should be there, then followed by condition. This is the syntax, open braces, then body of loop. Body of loop. That's it. So this is the condition. Why? This is the syntax. While condition should be there, then body of the loop in the sense you can write it. Okay, whatever the sentence. This is nothing but the whole. These 1, 2, 3, 4 are lines are body of the loop. Is it clear? Syntax is clear. Now tell me the output is this condition is true. 1 less than or equal to 5. Here I'm writing it. 1 less than or equal to 5. Condition true or false?
True, sir.
Okay.
So true.
Nova. True, right?
True.
True,
Who is
sir.
telling no? So okay, then again int count value is 0, right? Again here also 0, here also 0. Again I'm initializing 0. Then count value is, so count plus 3 also you can put it. Okay, count plus 3.
Sir, is that initialization required in that while?
Here the scope of the variable is different here.
Yeah, but is it required because you're already initializing it in the
That's
main
what
function,
I'm trying to explain it. Okay. Yes, here. Okay, depends upon your use. You can use it here.
Okay, sir.
Here I needed for understanding purpose. Okay, 0.
Yeah, but
What
that
is the
line
count
is
value?
not necessary, right?
Not necessary.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So you just look at this one. What is the count value?
3.
3, right? 0 plus 3. After that, I'm printing it, right? What will be the first
Yes.
output? Here I'm
3.
writing the output.
3.
First, is 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 will be the first output. Then I value is
It's incremented by 1.
incremented by 1.
Incremented
I
by 1.
equal to I plus 1, right?
2.
So I value is initially 1. Okay, now it's 2,
1
right?
plus 2.
1
Yes,
plus
sir, 2.
1 equal to 2. Okay. Again, since it is a looping, right? Again. Okay, here this process will be coming, right? So now the I value is 2, right?
Yes,
2
sir.
less
True,
than
sir.
or equal to 5. Condition is
True.
true. Again,
True.
what is the count value?
6.
Sir, but you put
No,
int
sir,
count
count
is
is
equal to
zero.
0.
Count value is 0.
Count is
That's what
0,
I'm trying to
yeah.
explain you. For purposely only I put this one.
So, sir, 5 times the count value will come as 3 only.
Yes, it's very good, very good. Okay, again the count value last count value is 5, right? Sorry, 3, right? Again I'm reinitializing the count value is 0. That's what I put. Now we got it, right? Why
Yes,
I put int count equal to 0?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So again it is 0. 0 plus 3.
3.
3. Okay.
3.
I equal to I plus 1. So 3. I 3. Again it is coming, right? Again. Next time I value equal to 3 less than, right? 3 less than or equal to 5. I value is 3 now. Again it is a looping. So again it will come in here. So what will be the output? Again count is 0. 0 plus 3, 3. How many times it will keep on repeating here?
So
5
it will
times.
repeat
5
5 times.
iteration, right? Because I initially 1.
iterations.
Okay, for first iteration the count value is 3. For second iteration also the count value is 3. Third iteration
3.
3. Fourth
3.
iteration
3.
3 and
3.
3.
Fifth iteration
3.
3.
next time whenever I equal to 6, okay, at that time the condition fails, right? 6 less than or equal to 5. Condition true or false?
False.
False.
False. At the time, okay, it will come out from the loop. Okay, where it comes?
It comes out of
If
the
the
block.
condition
and
is
it's a
true,
print
these statements will
statement.
be executed. If the condition is false, where it will come?
The bottom, sir. The print.
Next
Here it
statement.
will. Next printf, right?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what is the count value?
0.
0 or 3? What is the last
Sir,
count
it's
value?
3.
3,
3.
sir.
How many of them are telling 0? Sorry, 3.
Sir, me, sir, 3.
Sir, 3.
3.
Sir, but why 3?
How many of them are telling it is 0?
0, sir.
0 is the correct
It's
answer.
0, sir, because the
0 is
printf is
because
outside the while
yes,
block.
I already told,
We
right?
declared it
What
on
is the
global.
scope of the variable? It starts from
It
the curly
starts
braces to
from
ending
while
braces.
and
Okay,
while.
for this count and I value, okay, within this bracket, it may be some 3, right? Count value is within this this block, the count value is 3. I value is it's keep on varying, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct?
Yes, sir.
But outside the scope or but outside the block, what is the what is the count value? What is the outside
0.
the block? 0, right? That
0.
will be printed. Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
one
sir.
doubt.
Tell me here.
Sir, will I stay as 5 or will it be initialized 1 also, sir?
Shall we execute the same program with all online compiler?
Sir, I will stay
Yes,
1,
sir.
right?
I will say 1
I will stay 1.
I will stay 1 in the main function, sir.
in the main function. Suppose if you are printing next line, if you are printing here. Okay, shall I write it here?
Yes, sir.
Printf %d. Okay, comma I in the sense what will be the output?
1.
1 will be the output.
One.
Shall we execute this program in the online compiler?
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mm. My browser is very slow. Tell me here what's the code we have written? Int count equal to
0.
Int
0,
count
right?
equal to 0 and
Yes,
int I
sir.
is equal to 1.
Int I is equal to 1. Then
Sir, I is equal to 1, sir.
I equal to 1 while, right?
So while I lesser than or equal to
I
5.
less than or equal to 5.
Okay. What we have
Int
done?
count is equal to 0.
Count is equal to
int
0.
count equal to 0. Count equal to 0. Then
Count
Int
equal to count plus 1.
Count is equal to count plus 3.
count equal to
Count plus 3.
count plus 3. Okay. What we have done? We are printing the
Printf percentage %d.
printf %d, right? Comma
Count.
count, right?
Yes, sir.
I
I plus plus.
right?
I plus plus.
Then after this block, what I'm trying to print it, percentage, so, print f slash and shall I put it for printing the new line?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So percentage d
Count.
comma count.
Count.
Then printf, same printf also you can use it.
Percentage D.
Percentage n. Percentage n. See, all the whatever the programs I'm teaching in whiteboard, you just try to execute. Okay, that is a good practice. That's it, right?
Yes,
Here
sir.
also, shall we put n for your understanding? Slash n, new line,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay. Shall I run it? Oh, sorry, this one. Now we got it. So
Sir,
three, how many times?
6.
Yes, it is producing 6.
Yes, sir. I think I will be 6 because when it goes back into the while loop, its I will be 6, and that's when it becomes false.
Yes, correct.
Because once I is incremented to 6, it will go to the while loop and then becomes false. So the last value will be 6.
Okay, here every
For
time
I.
it is initializing 0, right? Here the last count is, what will be the last count for iteration?
Sir, 6. That's when it will
6,
come out of the loop.
Yes, sir. 6 is not
6.
that condition become false.
Okay.
And then that because I is already incremented to 6, that will be the value of I, which
Because
will
the
be
while
printed.
statement is in the main function, so that's why like
Yeah.
i's value will change in the.
Okay. Here the count is also in that. Okay, right.
The count stays the same anyways because we are already initializing it all the time in the loop, so it will never
Right,
change.
0. Okay, right. Here. One minute. Count value is 0 here. Okay, it is in that loop, right? See, have we got it right now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, you
Yes,
just
sir.
look at this one. I is okay. The scope starts from here and ends here, right? So every time the I is incrementing, so it is reflecting 6.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It's okay. Shall we go to the next content? This one is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Otherwise, I'll 1 minute. My screen is visible?
No, sir.
No,
1
sir.
minute.
No, sir, not yet.
Sorry. So, okay. Shall we just look at this example so that you could clearly understood. Let's go and now we just look at the program and tell me what may be the output for this program. You just don't worry about this R2 and all. I'll tell you what is mean by R2. Tell me here, what is the output for this program? Is my screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
3, 2,
Now
1.
tell me.
Sir, is it 3, 2, 1?
3, 2, 1
3, 2,
or
1.
1, 2, 3?
Sir, 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
So 3, 2,
Okay.
1.
Now we'll get it. Okay. First, what is the J? Here, J. How many variables are used in this program?
1.
One.
One, right? Only J.
one
Okay.
variable.
Here, for example, first, where is the first scope of J starts? Here, right?
So yes, sir.
The main
first
function
one.
only. Okay, all that thing will be there. Okay, for example, if I just like this. Now we got it.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
this main function starts here, ends here. This block starts here, ends here. This block starts here, ends here. Clear? Now tell me what is the scope of this one. This J, see, okay, just look at J equal to 1. Okay, and after that is again, okay, J equal to 2. I'm changing the value, and after that, what is that? Again, I'm changing the value J equal to 3. First, what will be the output here? Tell me. Shall we run it?
Yes, sir. 3, 2, 1 will be.
Okay. 3, 2, 1 will be the output, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
3, 2, 1 is there, some spaces. So tab we are using /t means tab space, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So you just look at this one, how 3, 2, 1?
So because one
Here
it's
within the scope, the
other
J value is
and-
3, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next what is this is the inner scope, right? Inner block, right?
Yes,
It's
sir.
the
Inner block is
innermost.
J equal to 3. Then next block, here is just printing, right? For first one, here first printf is this one, right? Here the J value equal to 2, so that here J value equal to 2. Again, here it is changing J value equal to 3, then it is printing J value equal to 3, right? Next one, for this printf, what will be the J value?
2.
2.
2.
How we are saying that 2?
The curly
It's right
braces,
out
sir.
of
Because the
bracket.
J is
Within-
yes, because it is an another block, right? What is
Yes,
the
sir.
scope here?
The
Okay, the
auto in
scope
J equals 2 starts.
J
with
equal
scope.
to 2. Okay. Here it will start. Okay, here this one it will start, right?
Yes, sir.
J equal to 2. J equal to 1. Here this printf, what it will print?
1.
1.
1,
1.
right? Do you have any doubt in this one?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Oh, sir.
Others, only 2 or 3 members only keep on responding me. What about others? Now we got it, right? What is the scope of a variable and all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here the scope starts, okay. Here the scope starts, J equal to 1. So here up to this, the scope will be there. That's what it is printing. After this starting, okay, here the first starting point, the starting of the block and ending of the block. So that J value is 1 is maintained here. Here the starting of the block and ending of the block, I value J equal to 0. That is here if you are printing it, J value equal to 2 is maintaining here. Okay.
Sir, I
Then-
have one question.
Tell me.
Since I have done Python, so I cannot
Hmm.
understand like why are we using %d symbol here?
See, this is percentage D. See, others can kindly respond who know this one. Why we are using percentage D?
Sir,
It's a
because
pointer.
J is an integer. It's a
It's a
pointer.
pointer to indicate the value for the
Yes,
It is
variable.
actually a
For the
format
integer.
specifier. Okay. Since it is an integer, okay, in the printf we should have to mention percentage D. The previous class and all you didn't attend, huh?
No, sir. So this is my second class only.
Okay. You have joined later.
Yes, sir.
So okay, ma. Okay. See,
So mostly I am able to understand because I
Yeah,
have
but,
my coding background, but
okay, no problem.
few
See,
things I have problem.
data types and all it is there, integer, okay, float. These are all the okay. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, my
Yes, sir.
laptop
Sir.
drained out of that. So, mm, my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
See, these are all that important data types in C. For all those data types, okay, there should be some format specifier is there. For integer percentage D, okay, for float percentage F, okay, for character percentage C. For all the data type like this, okay, some format specifier is there, okay, which is used to determine the data type, okay, which type of data we are going to store it in variable. For example, int A, right? In this A, we are going to store integer data type. That is the representation. The printf, if you are using, right, syntax is format. What is the syntax of format specifier, comma, variable name? Syntax is like this. So that's what we are using percentage D. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next we are going to discuss about storage classes. Okay, now you know, right, what is mean by scope of a variable or lifetime of a variable. Now we are going to discuss about various storage classes, various types of storage classes. Okay, first one is automatic variables. Second one is external variables. Third one is static variables. This is very important one, okay, for storage classes. Last one is register variable. Okay, so what is mean by automatic variables? You know, right? Variable, it is used to store the value, right? Value which is used in the program, right? Data which is used to store the data. What is mean by automatic variable?
So do they like automatically store values
So
or
the
something?
keyword, say for each and everything, keyword should be there. Okay. So first, for automatic variable, auto is the keyword. Okay. External variable are global variables. Okay. Global variables. For this, no need to mention any keyword. For static keyword, static is the static variable. It is okay. You are going to use the keyword static. Register also, register you should have to use it. These are all the keywords. Okay. For external, okay, for global external variables alone, it doesn't use any keyword. Okay. So what is mean auto variable? What is mean by automatic?
So
Whenever in the main
automatic variable
program,
is just a local variable, right?
yes, automatic or ஒரு ஒரே நிமிஷம் சைன் தானே So automatic are local variables. Very good. Automatic are local variables. What is mean by local variable? This and all I have taught in that first class itself.
Variable
Structure.
that's
Or
declared inside
variables
a block.
declared in local scope.
Just now we have discussed, right? This is called as automatic variables. For example,
It's declared inside a block.
Inside a block.
Declared in a local scope.
1 minute. Here, this variables and all. Why we
Auto
are declared auto because it is
which
declared. It is declared within the particular scope, right?
Yes,
So
sir, in
the
local.
so the here J is nothing but a automatic variable because the scope starts from where it starts.
It starts from main.
It starts from main, right? So local variables are the variable which is used within the main function, correct? Sir, or
Yes, sir.
within a block we can tell it, right?
Within a separate block.
Okay, right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is called as automatic variable. Now we got it, right? What is mean by automatic variable? What is mean by external variable or global variables?
It's declared
Will
outside.
be
Sir, it's declared
outside
in
the
the
block.
main
It
function.
should be it should
It's
be
declared in the
declared
global
outside the
scope.
main function. Okay. So
Will
it can be
include-
used anywhere, right?
Sir,
Okay. What is mean by
the
first
global variable should be declared before the main function.
before the
right?
main function? Yes.
Yes.
Before the main function, it can be used anywhere in a program. Once the global variable, once we have declared, for example, here int. Okay. After before int. Okay, a. Suppose if you have declared a equal to 5 in the sense, in the main function also can directly use a plus plus, right? For example, again I'm using another user defined function, display function. Okay, for example, void display. Here also I can use it a equal to a plus 5, correct?
Yes, sir.
Tell me here yes or no. This is called as
Yes, sir.
which variable? Global
External
variable.
variable.
What is mean by
Or-
local variable? For
It's declared
example,
inside the
okay,
function.
inside,
declared
yes,
and can be
void
used only
main
within a
function.
scope.
Yes. So for example, int a comma b comma c. Okay, a equal to 5, b equal to 6. For example, c equal to a plus b. Printf percentage d comma sum. Sorry, c. Okay. What is mean by local variable? Here, which variables are called local variables? A comma b comma c are the local variables because it can be used within the main function. Is it clear? Or it can be used within this particular block, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, right.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now we got it. Do you have any doubt in local or global variables?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Static variable, I'll tell you. Okay. Uh, one minute. For example, okay, automatic variable. Automatic or local variable. Okay. So each and everything should be explained with the help of program also. Okay. For your CT also, for university exam also. Function. Terminal function. For example, int. Auto is the keyword. Auto int a equal to, for example, 10. Okay. For example, display one column. Display two and column. Here I'm printing syntax. Shall I write it here? Okay, here itself I'm writing. Void display one, right? Void display one. Here auto int a equal to, okay. Display two and a equal to printf Now tell me, what is the output for this program? First tell me the output and after that we'll discuss what is mean by it. So tell me here, what is the scope of automatic or local variable? What is mean by local
Sir,
variable? It can be used within that block,
Sir,
right?
It can
within
only
the
be
block,
used
sir.
within that.
The
Here, what
main-
is the the scope of the here? Okay, in the main function, the scope of the
sir, is
A
the
is
output 20, 30, 10?
what is the output?
20,
For
30, 10.
example, int A equal to 10. Okay, next time we here I'm calling the function, right? Where it will go? Display one.
Display
Where
on
the
down.
control go?
Yes, sir, it'll go display
Directly,
one.
immediately the control go here, display one. And again it will start executing this one. Okay, auto int A equal to 20. Okay, again somewhere okay, where A value is changed, and after that I'm printing A. First A value, what will be the printing?
20.
Here 20. First
20.
it will print 20.
20.
Next, after the execution of this block, the control again, where it will
Goes
come?
back to
goes
to
back to
Goes
main.
back to here. Okay, this line is finished. Okay, next one, display 2,
Display
right?
2.
Where the control will go?
It
This
goes
is
Here
nothing
the
but
A
a
equal to
function
30.
call. Here the control will go. So in the display 2, what is happening?
30.
A
30.
30 and it is
Yeah,
printing 30,
A is
right?
assigned the value 30 in that
Okay,
function.
30. Okay, right. And after that, where the control go? After this
Goes
block
Going
back
as
to
to
execute,
the
Go
goes
back.
back here.
main.
After that, what is the next line?
Print 10.
Print
Uh,
10.
print
percentage
Print
D.
A equal to
Print,
10.
A equal to 10, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we got it. Because
Yes.
this is an automatic variable, it can be used within the main function, right? So the scope of the value is 10 within the main function, correct?
Yes, sir.
For this block, the A value is 20. For this block or this function, the A value is 20. A value is 30. Now we got it.
Yes, sir.
So the local variable is the one which is used, okay, the scope of the variable which is present within that particular block. Either it may be a main function or any user defined function or anything, right? Or it may be simply a block. For example, here also you can imagine that, okay, here like this also, any particular block. Here I didn't use any function and all, but various blocks I have used, okay. So this could be an example. Okay, don't write this program and all. Okay, for your understanding purpose only, I'm just explaining with this. Okay, always good writing skill of the program is don't always put main function. Okay, at the starting of the function you can use curly braces and ending. Okay, at the user defined function you just put it curly braces and end it. Okay, suppose if it is any looping statements means, okay, you put curly braces and end it. Okay, if it is any decision making statement means put decision making, okay, here curly braces and end it. This is the good practice now. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so main function or user defined function, or for example display. If any function starts, you just put it. Looping start, you just put it. If any decision making statement starts, you just put it. Otherwise, don't put unnecessary, okay, block, okay, curly braces and close bracket, close curly braces. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, don't unnecessary, don't put here and all. It will create unnecessary confusions. Okay.
Yes.
Up to this clear? Shall we go into the external variable or global variable programs?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Global variable or global or external variable. Okay, for example, the same program hash include std h. Okay, for example, int a equal to, okay, like main function. Okay, here also I'm calling, okay, display one function, display two function, Now tell me, what is the output here?
Sir, it will print 10 3 times.
10 3 times, right? 10,
10,
10,
10.
10.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So okay,
Yes,
since
sir.
it is why you didn't see, just look at this one. In main function, I didn't do any declaration part, right? Why? Because it is globally declared, right?
Yes, sir.
This
Yes,
is
sir.
called
Yes,
as
sir.
global declaration or external variables. If it is declared globally, in the sense it can be used. Okay, the local variables are the one which can be used within the particular block. Okay, global or external variable is the one, okay, which can be used anywhere in the program. Okay, that's what I didn't declare anything directly. Okay, okay, here this is after your header file, global declaration part is there. This one is global declaration part after main function. Okay, first time I'm calling the display one. Okay, here I'm calling the function. The control, where it will go? Here it will go. It will
Display
print
one.
10. What is a value? A value
10.
is initially 10. That will be printing it is. And after that, the control again will here come. Okay. Next time, next display 2, where the control go? Here this is display 2. No, sorry. Display 2, here it will come. Again, it is printing 10, right? Because a value doesn't change, right? 10. And after that, the control, after executing this function, the control will be go here. Next, what it is printing? Again, a value is 10. Suppose if it is, okay, a plus plus, what will happen? Here also a plus plus, here will a plus plus. What will happen? What's the output?
So 10, 11, 11. Sorry.
11,
11,
11,
10.
10.
11, 11, 10.
11, 11, 11,
11, 11, 10.
10.
11, 11, 11 or 11, 11, 10?
11,
Sir,
11,
11,
10.
Sir,
11,
would
10.
it be
2
11
11s
12
and 10.
Really, just think it
2
and tell
times
me.
11 and 1 time 10.
Yes,
2
sir.
times 11 and
10.
1
Oh, sir,
time
11 11 11
10.
10. Sorry, sir.
11, 11, 10.
11 11 10.
11, 11, 10. Okay. So you just look at this one, so that a plus plus, right? So here 10 plus 1, 11. So 11 will be printing. Next time the control goes here. Next time here it has to go. Okay. Here also, since it is a global variable, there is no way here. Okay. These are all the local variables, right? If a plus plus, in the sense, this will be act as a local variable. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So for this
Yes, sir.
part alone, the a value is 11. When coming to the next part, the a value is 10 only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that's why it is 11, 11. Okay. For this part, at last printing a, right?
Yes, sir. It will be 10.
That becomes 10.
Sir, it's 10.
Okay. Do you have any doubt in this one? So don't confuse with this one. Just for your understanding purpose only. I'm just, now we got it. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Sir.
So the thing you should have to understood is, okay, whenever a block is there, okay, if it is a local variable, auto variable, okay, so the scope is, okay, here up to starting from here and starting to this one. Okay, suppose if the variable is declared as global, in the sense, it can be, the scope will be throughout the program. Clear? Throughout the program, what is the a value?
Here it's 10, sir.
Here is the 10. Clear? Do you have any doubt? Shall we move to the extra static variable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So static variable is the one. See, don't confuse it with static with constant. Okay, constant is different. What does mean by constant?
Sir, its value does
a
not change
equal
throughout
to
the
10
program.
means,
Just
yes,
click.
this value should not be changed throughout the program. Static is different from constant. Okay, suppose, okay, always students will confuse static with constant. Okay, suppose if it is static int a equal to 10, okay, a plus plus, you are printing printf percentage d, a means what will be the output? 10 or 11?
10.
10, right? Because sorry, this is constant. Sorry.
Constant means it's 10, sir.
Constant means
10, sir, output.
10, right? So it will not produce output. It will show static constant value should not be changed. Here we are trying to increment, change the constant value, right? Constant is A. That should not be changed actually. The compiler won't allow you. Okay.
Sir,
Tell me here.
sir, will it throw an error message or will it just display 10?
Just execute it. Parallelly, you can run with any online compiler.
Yes, sir, 1 second.
Now, once again, you just explain, do it. So static variable is different. Okay, through the program, I'll explain you what is mean by static variable. Then only you can clearly understood. Okay, for example, static variable hash include package main function display function static is the keyword and c equal to 1 and c equal to c plus 5. Suppose enter percentage d percentage. First, you just tell me without. Have we got the output here?
Yes, sir.
What it's showing error
Sir,
or it is
it'll-
allowing?
Oh,
Sir,
that
it's
one.
showing an error message for
Error,
me.
right? That's what I told.
Yes, sir.
It's
So
showing error.
if you use constant keyword, you should not try to change. Okay. If it is any constant variable is there, if you attempt to trying, okay, if you attempt to change the value, it won't allow. Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, with
What is the output for this one?
Sir, is it
So
6
see
and
here
11?
only one main function is there and one user defined function is there. In main function, I call the user defined function twice. Is it clear?
Sir, you removed the
So main
static
function is
purposely.
no, yes, I erased purposely. Okay, you just tell me. Okay. Now you just tell me where the control will go
Display
for
first.
this display
Sir, it'll
function.
go to display. To the display
Where the control will
function.
go, right? In C equal to
Yes, sir.
is this correct? C equal to C plus 5. The output is
6.
It'll
Six.
print
That's how
6 first.
6, right?
So it'll be
Okay.
6 first.
So next time, okay, after the execution of this function, user defined function, where the control go?
Back.
It'll,
Back
Go
to
back.
the,
it'll go
next
back
it
to
will
main.
execute this line, right? Again, it is. I'm
Again,
calling the same
six.
function. Again, I'm calling the same
Again,
Again,
six
function.
will
print
be
6.
printed.
Again,
again
int
six will
c
be
equal to
displayed.
1. Again, the output is 6, right?
6.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if I put static here,
So it'll
so
become
what will happen in the sense?
6 and
so-
11.
It will be
Very good, very good.
6
Okay,
will
first
be
time, okay.
iterated again.
So see, listen. First time I'm calling the display function. This is a static one. Okay, the nature of the static variable is it is used to restore the last value. Initially, the static value c equal to 1. Correct.
Yes, sir.
After that, it is incrementing by 5. C is added with 5 value. What is the last C value?
6.
6,
Six.
right? That will be
6.
retained. Okay.
Yes, sir. Got it.
That will be read. First time it will print, okay, 6 mark. Okay, for the static I'm telling 6. Okay. Next time again I'm calling the same function, even though, okay. So, sir, next time. First time it is clear, it will come here, static int c equal to 1, c will be added with 5 and it is printing 6. Next time next after the execution of this display function, the control goes here, and after that again I'm calling the same display function, again it is coming here. Since the nature of the static is it is used to restore the last value, right? What is the last c value? It doesn't,
6.
okay, it doesn't change to 1 here. the last value of C will be maintained, right? What is the last C value?
6.
6.
6. So okay, here 6 plus 5 equal to
11.
11. So 11 will be 20. This is the difference between the normal variable and the static variable. Constant is entirely different. Constant means if you should not change like this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir,
Now we got it. Got it.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in the static one?
Sir, can you please give another example so that it will?
Another example. Oh, for example, shall I use the I comma n, okay. M equal to 2. Y I less than or equal to display function. Now tell me what is the output. If I doesn't put static, what will be the output? Can anyone?
12, sir.
Sir, 4 times
12.
12.
4
How
times.
many times 12?
4
So I
times.
equal to 1, n equal to 5, condition is true, 1 less than or equal to 5, condition is true. When it is calling the
Sir,
display function.
wouldn't this keep printing because it's an infinite loop, right?
Yes.
It's an
yes.
infinite
It
loop.
will
You need to
finish now.
increment I.
Yes, sir, you
because it's an
forgot to put
infinite
I
loop.
plus plus.
Yes. I plus. Sorry. Here.
After display, you can put I is equal to I plus 1 or something.
Right. Sorry. Now you just tell me.
Sir, without static.
Now without static, I'm asking. So condition is true. It goes to display function. 6
Sir,
6
it will
into
print
2
12
It will
5
print
times.
12 5
12
times.
5 times, right?
5 times 12.
Next
Yes,
time
sir.
I2 less than or equal to 5, condition true, this loop will execute 5 times, right? So 5 times, every time
It will be 12.
it will be 12. Suppose in that case, in static case, what will happen?
12, 24, 48.
12,
24,
24,
48.
48.
It's
Yes,
very
first time what will
numerical.
be the output, ma? First time
12.
12.
12. And next time, since it is a static variable, it has to restore the
12 into
last value,
2.
right? So 12
Yes, sir.
into, next time it won't
A
initialize.
is
Okay,
12.
for first display, okay, a equal to 6, 6 into 2, 12, that will be printing. Next time again the loop will be running here, the control will come here, then I equal to I plus plus, okay, I plus plus is 2 less than or equal to 5, condition is true. Again we are calling the display function where again here will be going, since it is a static. What is the nature of static?
To restore the last
Choose the
value.
last
Restore the
value.
last
Restore
value.
the
What is the last
previously
value of
programmed.
A? 12, right?
12.
12 into 2, 24. 24 will be the output. Next time I equal to, again the control will here comes to here, next I value plus 1, 3 less than or equal to 5, condition is true. Again I'm calling the display function, here it will come. Since it is a static, what is the last
24.
24 into 2?
48.
48.
48 will be there. Again I equal, again the control will go comes here, okay, I plus plus 4 less than or equal to 5, again here it will come. What is the last A value? 48 into 2?
96.
48 into
96.
96.
Okay, 96 will be printing. Again I equal to 5, 5 less than or equal to 5, condition true. 96 into 2?
192.
190.
19.
Got it? Another example is clear?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
Suppose when the static can be used in the sense, for example, in real-time application, suppose if you want to restore some value, okay, for example, here suppose at the suppose if you are doing any scoring application now, scoring application for cricket, okay, or data analytics for cricket if you are doing, okay. Suppose if we want to, okay, calculate the overall runs, okay, overall runs by any batsman, okay. For example, first match he played 67, okay, so he scored 67 runs. Next match he scored 30, okay, and next match he scored some 90. Suppose if you are developing this type of application, okay, so you just look at this one, you want to restore the last value, right?
Yes, sir.
While the batsman is playing the next match too, the previous run should be added. Then only the overall runs can be calculated, right? Tell me here, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
at
sir.
that point, you may use static variable. So at the time, you can make it as static. Suppose run is a variable, right? Overall run is a variable, right? At the time, if you make it static means, so it will retain all the last values, last match play, right? Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 67 plus 30 plus 90. It's okay. Is it clear? Shall we move to the next one, register variable? What is mean by register variable? Last one is register variable, right? What is mean by register variable? It's same as like as auto variable. Okay, for example, okay, simple thing. Hash include std io.h void main function. Main function. Suppose, say int a comma b. What will assume here? What it will assume? Automatically, it doesn't put any int. Okay, sorry, any auto. Okay, static or register or any. It doesn't put any keyword. Okay, what will it automatically assign? This a and b will be considered as automatic variable only. Even though if it doesn't use the keyword auto, default what it will take?
Auto variable.
Auto variables. That's what, okay. Auto variable is nothing but it's a local variable, the scope of the variable which is within that particular block. Okay, either it may be a main function or it may be a user defined function or it may be in any particular block. So you just look at this one, int a equal to 5, b equal to 10. Sorry, int a comma b comma c equal to a plus b. Printf percentage d c. So what will happen? This is an automatic variable. Okay, so suppose if it doesn't put any keyword in the sense default, it can stored as automatic variable. Okay, so what will be the nature? How the program will be run? This is a simple addition of two numbers program. Okay, how it will run, ma? So instead of that, you can imagine that, okay, scanner, percentage D, ampersand A, comma, ampersand A. And now you tell me how this program will run. If my
Just it
input
will
is
take the
6,
values
5,
from output.
yes, first for example, okay, if you run this program, okay, input you should have to give it, right? For example, 6 is my input and second input is 5. Okay, that can be to the keyboard. Okay, for example, if you are running this, imagine that you are running the program is written here. Okay, and if you are clicking online compiler, if you are clicking the run button in the sense, okay, if you are giving through the keyboard, if you are giving 5,6 is the input, where it will go first, the 5,6
To the CPU.
to the CPU, right? The
Yes.
CPU, some memory is there, right? So this is the memory. Imagine that this is a memory. This is the memory. It 5 can be stored here and 6 can be stored in the form of bits, right? Zeros, ones, right? The
Yes,
computer can understand only zeros and ones. Okay, how will you convert 5? 0, 1, 0, 1, right?
0101.
0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, for storing the 5 in some other location. Okay, ampersand we are giving, right? That is address, right? Tell me here, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And this particular address, okay, 100, okay, 101, 102, 102. Okay, integer, it carries 4 bytes. So this okay, in this address it can store. Okay, so it's 101 to 100 to 103, the value of 5 can be stored, right? Is it clear to all? Same
sir.
wise, the B also stored. Okay, for what is the B value, ma? 6, A value is 5, B value is 6, right? B value is 8421 code. Okay, 6, right? So 4 plus 2 is 6. So here 10110. Okay, here some address. Okay, 104 to some 108 or 107. So it can be stored in hard disk first. Okay, and after, suppose at the time of executing the program, it will be transferred to RAM, right? Random access memory, right? Tell me here. The program, initially the program can be stored in hard disk only, and after that, okay, suppose if you are running the program, okay, it has to fetch A value and B value, right? Tell me here, yes or no, for executing this line.
Yes,
Tell me
sir.
here, that can be done by your RAM, right? What is the use, what is that nature of RAM? Whatever the operation you are doing, you are doing in the system, okay, that operation alone, that data alone can be transferred to RAM, right? That is
Yes,
called
sir.
as random access memory. Suppose if you are going to execute this program, okay, that data alone can be transferred to memory, random memory. Okay, here 5 value, 6 value can be fetched. Okay, here at the execution of this line, with the help of this address, 5 value and A value 5 can be fetched and B value 6 can be fetched, and 11 can be stored in, okay, where it can be stored again the same memory cell, right?
Yes, sir.
Here it will be stored 0, 1 or 0 something. Okay, it can be stored, and then only it is printing to the monitor. Okay, then from the memory it is displaying the output 11 is the output, right? Tell me here, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This
Yes,
is actually the process. In this way only the program is going to, okay, even though if you are getting the output within 1 second or less than a second, but this is the actual process happening. Okay, begin the program execution, correct? The scanf itself, that the input, the keyboard, through the keyboard we are transferring the inputs to the memory, and after that from the memory the process fetches the memory. And it will be in the RAM it can able to fetches the value of input values, and after that the processor can execute 5 plus 6 equal to 11. Again it can be stored in the memory, then only it is transferred to the monitor. Okay, so it may takes, okay, for example 1 second. Okay, so for example 0.1 second. Okay, this process clear? Suppose, see, if I put register keyword in the sense, what will happen? So this data and all A and B, this program data can be stored in the
Store it in the
register.
CPU register.
Register in this nothing but it's a small memory space. Okay, memory and all. Okay, sorry, hard disk and all. How many 1 TB is there, right? For modern day system and all. RAM and all. Some 8 GB RAM, 12 GB RAM is there, right? But when compared to hard disk or RAM, here the register is having low memory space. Okay, it can able to store only 4 byte. For example, I'm telling, or 1 byte.
So
Okay.
it's quicker to access the variable.
Yes, that's what I'm trying to tell you. Okay, so for example, there are no number of registers can be available in the storage. Okay, memory system. So one of the part is register. Okay, so register is nothing but a small memory space or memory storage. In that, okay, that storage space will be very less. For example, 1 byte or 2 byte or so suppose if you are, so listen, int a comma here, if you are used the keyword register in the sense where these data and all can be stored. It can be stored in the hard disk or RAM. Clear? It can be stored in the register. Okay, 5 can be stored here and 6 can be stored here, and output is also can be stored here. So searching and value from 1 TB, okay, or searching a value from 8 GB, or are searching a value from 1 byte. Which can give the quicker access?
Register.
1 byte.
1 byte. 1 byte in the sense, okay, register. Okay, definitely directly the processor while executing this, okay, for example here for scanf, okay, for example this is register 1, register 2, or register 3. Okay, register 1, 5 can be stored in the form of zeros and ones. In register 2, okay, 6 can be stored in the form of zeros and ones. In register 3, okay, 11 will be stored. The output will be stored in the form of zeros and ones. So if a processor, if you're executing C equal to A plus B, what the processor will do, the processor doesn't search for any hard disk or RAM. Clear? It will directly go to the register. Immediately it will fetches 5, and immediately it will fetches 6, and will produce 11, and it will be stored in this one. So it may take 0.0001 second one. Clear? Tell me here, is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Searching the data from 1 TB, definitely it will, okay, for depending upon the process speed, it may take 1 second. Or processing or searching the data, okay, definitely 5 and 6 can be in the RAM. That could be search right, fetched right. 5 value and 6 value can be fetched right. The 8 TB also, for example, 8 GB also 1 second. Suppose if you are searching, suppose if you are given to the register keyword, all the input value, all that A value, B value, C value can be stored in register. So the register size is very less. So picking the data from the register will be very quick when compared to the register, compared to the hard disk or RAM. Is it clear? For this purpose only we are using the register variable. Clear? In order to increase the execution, in order to decrease the execution speed, okay, execution time of the program, we should go for register. Clear? Do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So one more thing I want to suppose, right, comment line,
Yes, sir.
what
Yes,
do you
sir.
mean by comment line?
Sir, it's
Sir.
just a line given that has nothing to do with the program. It's just for your
Yes,
own
it
reference.
doesn't affect any,
It
okay,
doesn't have a function or anything.
okay, initialize,
Used for your
okay.
reference or something.
This is for your understanding purpose. In this line, okay, this is a key important line in a program in the sense. For our understanding purpose, we can initialize, okay, j value is equal to 1, right? This is the meaning of this line, right? Tell me
Yes,
here.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Okay, for our understanding purpose, I have given the comment line. This is for your, okay, reader purpose. So someone is reading this code in the sense, he can easily able to understand the meaning of the code. Initialize j value is equal to 1. So this is called a single line comment. Suppose if I'm executing it, it won't run. This comment line and all won't run by the compiler. 3, 2, 1. It doesn't, okay, printing initialize JA value is equal to 1, right? Tell me here, yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So this
Yes,
is a single line comment. Okay. Suppose next one is there. Multi-line comment is also there. 1 minute now. So multi-line comment is also there. Okay. For that, okay, suppose if my okay, here. Okay. If so for that, okay, what I do slash star. What is mean by multi-line comment?
Sir, it
Suppose
expands over,
if I'm
over multiple
typing,
lines.
if I'm typing, okay, more than one line. Okay, suppose if I'm typing more than one line. So, okay, if I'm typing more than one line. So what I have to do? Hash star, okay, ending with
Star
star
hash.
slash.
I mean.
Okay, the reverse. Okay, black slash star, and after that ending with star backslash. Okay, here you can type it any content. Okay, this program it is used to, okay, here I'm writing it. Okay, this program it is used to explain the scope of the variable, auto variable, right? Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
One para also you can write it for your okay understanding purpose. This won't affect the program, even though the output is 3 to 1, right? This even though if it is present in the main function, but compiler can understood that it is a comment line. Comment line in the sense the compiler won't execute this line, correct? This is
Yes,
for
sir.
your user understanding purpose. Coder. Okay, for example, after 10 years, I'm after, okay, if you wrote the code, okay, if you have developed the softwares, okay, for any particular software, okay, you have wrote the code. If you're working in a company, after 5 years, the same type of project again is coming back to your company, coming back again. You don't want to again rewrite the code, right? You should have to open that previous previous project code. If you have added the comment line means, okay, you can easily able to understand, right? After before 5 years, okay. And for example, if you have developed the project, okay, in the 2018, okay, again the same type of project is coming to you at the 2021. So after 3 years, you might have forgot, right, what have happened, what have done in that project coding and all. If at the time, if you make it in the form of comment line, in the sense while reading at the code itself, you can easily understood what is happening here, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the use of comment line. Single comment line in the sense. Okay, this is called a single comment line. Okay, here you can type whatever as it is. This is called a single comment. Okay, a multiple comment in the sense multi-line comments in the sense slash star, whatever the content you should have write it here and ended with what is the end star. Is it clear? So up to this we'll stop it. Okay, answer attendance first. Zero one.
Present, sir.
Fast. 02.
Present, sir.
03. Swatesh.
Present, sir.
04.
Present, sir.
Manvi. 5. Tarsna.
Present, sir.
6. Jaipuria.
Present, sir.
7. Ananya.
Present, sir.
8. Ananya, why you didn't come for morning lab?
Hello. Sorry, I was having network issues in the morning.
Okay. 8. This is number 8. Jela Abhinav. absent. 9 Shai Varshan.
Present, sir.
10 Pranav.
Present, sir.
11 Pradosh.
Present, sir.
12 Garima Singh.
Present, sir.
13 Subhranshu.
Present, sir.
14 Swaminathan.
Present, sir.
15
Present, sir.
17
Present, sir.
18
Present, sir.
20
Present, sir.
21
Present, sir.
22
Present, sir.
23
Present, sir.
24
Present, sir.
25
Present, sir.
26
Present, sir.
27
Present, sir.
28 Hemant.
Present, sir.
29
Present, sir.
30
Present, sir.
32
Present, sir.
33 Janil.
Present, sir.
34
Present, sir.
why didn't Rishikesh, why have you attended morning lab?
Yes, sir. I
Why you didn't reply me? How many times I called your name? Rishikesh,
Yes, sir.
tell me why you didn't answer me in the even chat box also I put it, right? Hey, tell me yaar. Rishikesh. See, if you are not telling the reason for this 2 hours also, you will be marked as absent. 34 Rishikesh. So 35.
Yes, sir.
What happened?
Sir, I attended the class.
Why you didn't answer me? Morning, how many times I called you? You didn't attend a morning. Yeah, others are getting late. Tell me, yaar. Okay, 34 Rishikesh, are you there or not?
Yes, sir.
Why you didn't respond me? Tell me the truth. Have you simply connected, right? You are not
No, sir.
attended
I
the lab.
attended.
How many times I called your name, da, since morning? Others? How many times I called you, da, Rishikesh? Say, okay. Just call, okay. You just stay, okay. After stay here. After taking the attendance, I want to talk with you. 15, Keshav. Keshav.
Keshav, sir,
Sorry,
he's
sorry.
present. He told me he's having
He's
fever.
absent only. Abhishek.
Present, sir.
37, Siddhant.
Present, sir.
38,
Present, sir.
39,
Present, sir.
40,
Present, sir.
41, 41, Muhammad Aman, 41 absent. 42,
Sir, he's present, sir.
Present, sir.
why
Sir,
did
Aman is present, sir.
Irfana, okay. 42, Vidhu.
Present, sir.
43, Shravandeep. 43, absent. 44, Jashwin.
Present, sir.
45, Patrick.
Present, sir.
46, Syed.
Present, sir.
47, Divyam.
Present, sir.
48, Paridhi Agarwal. Paridhi. Absent. 49, Ankur Shah.
Present, sir.
50, Abhista.
Present, sir.
51, Sridharan.
Present, sir.
52, Luvin.
Present, sir.
53, Bhavani.
Present, sir.
54, Daksh. 54, absent. 55,
No, sir. Daksh
Jayasuriya.
is present.
He put it in the
Sir,
chat
Daksh is
box.
Put
present.
it in the chat box.
Okay, 55. See, hereafter, don't put it in chat box. Okay. 55, Jayasuriya. What happened to him? Jayasuriya, absent. 57, Mukundan.
Present, sir.
58,
Present, sir.
59,
हेलो तू कहाँ है? तेरे को एब्सेंट मार्क्स कर दिया
15, 59,
एब्सेंट मार्क कर दिया सर ने जल्दी कर
who is 59? (58) present or absent? 58
is present.
59 absent. 59 absent. Jagan. 60 Jagan absent. Unimaya 61.
Present, sir.
62 Tejas Gnanasekhar. 62 is also absent. 63 Santoshi. 64 Aditya.
Present, sir.
65 Rishabh.
Present, sir.
66 Divya Darshini.
Present, sir.
67 Santosh.
Present, sir.
68 Nitish Kumar. 69 Divya Banu Prasad. 69 absent. 70
Present, sir.
71
Present, sir.
72 absent. See, absentees are 43, 48, 55, 59, 60, 62, 62, 69, 72. See, if you have any attendance issue, you can stay here. Otherwise, you can leave.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, did you mark rule number 8 as present? That's me. I
Present,
didn't
present.
respond in time. Thank you.
Sir,
Tell me here.
sir, in exam, draw flowchart like this. Questions will come or not come?
Yes, definitely. In 1 mark in objective type, it will come. Or see, all the portions will come the first unit.
To that pseudocode and also will come.
Yes, everything. All the contents in the syllabus will be coming.
Yes, sir.
So,
Tell me here, Paridhi, why you didn't answer me?
no, so I wasn't being able to unmute my mic.
What's your number?
What's the 48?
Sir?
Tell me here.
Sir, 62 present, sir.
Okay.